Hello everybody! Today we are making a fidget salad out of puppets. Pop. Pop. Okay, anyway, first we need the lettuce. Let me get that real quick. Oh, and we also need the cutting board. Okay, and the knife. There we go. Now, let's cut it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we got the main ingredient, the lettuce. Next, we need the tomato. I am using this little heart squishy. Squish, squish. Now, we just gotta cut it. Alright, well, that worked. So, now we got the tomato. Now, I think we need a napkin. Let me just move that. Look at our salad. Oh, now I think we need a napkin, because this might get messy. So, here we are, this wonderful napkin. Oh, now, our fidget salad is complete, but it must have a utensil. Now, even though this looks like the knife from earlier, it's actually a fork. So, let's eat. Ooh, that was delicious. Let's have some tomato. That's delicious. Alright, let's have some lettuce now. Even better, even better. Oh, I need to wipe my face. Okay, anyway. Eat this lettuce. Ooh, that was a delicious lunch. Well, anyway, goodbye.